Alright lads, welcome back to another episode here on Napa Rolling. It's going to be a very nice day today. We're actually on a thing called a yellow submarine here in Ayia Napa. So it's just a yellow submarine that goes around on a trip. We will be going into caves. You will see some extraordinary drone footage, but off in the distance over there, that's where we will be swimming. So it will be very nice actually. We'll be jumping off some nice parts, but I'll see you when I get there. Alright lads, so I'm here with the captain of the yellow submarine. Here he is. Do you want to say something?
Yeah, of course. I love people from New Zealand, guys. I love especially people who loves me. And you too, ain't it?
Yeah. Yes. Whoa.